Okay, so here's a quick explanation of English. So if you look over here on the left, this is your due dates. So have these done by next Friday. These two need to be done by the Wednesday before Christmas. Okay, so if you look right here, you go across, there's a vocabulary you can watch. And there's also a brain pop to help you learn about this as well. So do one or the other of those. Most likely just do brain pop since you have brain pop. But make sure you're logged in through Clever because then it'll show me that you did it. So make sure you're logged in through Clever before you click on this. Next, you have all of these IXL practice questions. Again, make sure you are logged into Clever first. That way it logs that you did the questions, and then what I want you to try to do is just score at least an 80 SMART score before you moved on to the next one. Whatever SMART score you score will be the grade I put over here and will be part of your English grade. So I want you to try and work hard on that. But there's a list. If you just hover over this, you can click the link. It'll take you straight to that. Now, if you're not signed into Clever yet, when you do this, this should pop up. If it does not, look up here, click sign in. Down here at the bottom, you're going to see looking for Epic Charter Schools, and you will click sign in here, sign in with Clever. It is going to log you in. It's going to take you back to your main dashboard. So what you'll probably have to do is jump back over here and click on it again. And now it will come up. Okay. And so make sure you try to do this. Try to score as high as you can. Again, that's going to be your grade. So if you get on the list, you'll see. And then when you get done, you can put a check mark over here. So that'll help you know that you already did those. So I put little check boxes here for you. Next, I didn't get a video created for this one. This one I did. So if you'll hover over this, it's a YouTube video, direct link to one that I created for you. So this one and this one both have videos. This one has a vocabulary. These are all vocabularies. If you need some help logging into vocabulary, if it won't let you, reach out to me and I will get you set up. This one has Brain Pop as well, so you can use Brain Pop. And so other than that, that is what I want you to work on for English for the next few weeks. And then we come back from Christmas break on January 5th. And that is when we will get started again, and I'll be assigning you more things. I hope this works for you. I hope you work hard. I know you can do this. Again, I'm here for any help that you might need if you're not understanding an assignment.